So we were able to get the motor on. My brother's tightening up this chain. We're gonna hot rod this one out next, I guess. Let's have a look. See. So in order to get the Predator engine to fit, you do have to shimmy the back and not the front. Well, I used 4 washers on each side, and we used a mountain bike brake cable for the gas. So if you follow it through the frame, and it goes all the way around, and this is the leftover cable. So let's see. Yeah, that works good. Told you I'd give you an update if this works out. So all the bolts are on, everything fastened down safely. The only thing that could be unsafe, if you roll this with a reckless attitude. What do you think, Carnal? Good to go?
It's tight, bro.
Mm-hmm.
But it feels
It worked.
I don't know.